All right. Assalamualaikum and hi. So this is just a simple guideline or tutorial on how to fill in the OBE for marks, student marks. Okay. All right. So first you have to go to obe.uten.my. If you are accessing OBE from outside UTM, then you have to install VPN first. So you have to access OBE via VPN. But if you are in UTM, then there's no problem. You can log in. So you have to select your section first. For example, I'm selecting this section, 2122, section 30, and automatically the school is selected. Okay, so there are 10 steps altogether. We straight away go to step 2. We can just ignore step 1. Go to step 2. The first thing that you have to do for step 2 is you have to import the PO and CO. Okay, so what you do is you click on import, and then you can import from anyone, I guess. Oh no. Maybe you can import from me since I finished keying in my marks. Okay, so you can select my name, for example. Okay, so where is it? 2019. Okay, for example, I'm selecting the same section because I'm done. Okay, so we go back and then we click again step 2. So the import has been completed. All right. And then you go to step 3. By right, there should be information here, but because I like redo, I need to do it again. I need to import from a different section because this is a different section. Okay, I'll import from section 42. Okay. All right. Okay, so it's here. And then you can just click on step 3 just to see whether it's on track or not. Okay, so this is the current mark distribution. Step 4. Don't have to do anything for step 4. Okay, step 5. This is where you start doing work. All right, so what you need to do first when you are at step 5, first you have to cross-check your name list, student name list, whether they are reflecting the names in your AIMS web, okay, AIMS list. So let's say, for example, some students are no longer in your class, or some names are not familiar to you, so you have to delete. So when you want to delete, you have to delete directly on the page on step 5. So you just select the names that you want to delete, okay, for example, and then you click on delete. All right, but if all the names are tallied with your other mark sheet, for example, your AIMS, I normally cross-check the names on OBE with AIMS because AIMS is updated while OBE sometimes is not updated. Okay, so if let's say all the names are counted for, then you click on download to Excel. All right, so you click on download to Excel. Okay, so this is where you key in the marks. All right, so you key in the marks. So once you are finished, once you have keyed in all the marks, what you have to do is you have to copy paste, right? From the first name, you don't have to copy number 1, you just copy paste from the first name, copy everything, including the commas, until the last name, all right? So you copy, and then you go back to OBE. Now you click on bulk addition of marks or add students, and then you paste, okay? So you paste, and then you click on save. Okay, this is just a sample. So you click on save, And then by right, the student marks will be displayed here, okay, including their total. So you can just do like another cross check with the mark sheet that you have with you before you move on to the next step. All right, so you move on to step 7. So at step 7, what you have to do is here, because we are teaching ULAB is under communication, so we only have to fill in the information under PO5. Ours is PO5, so you just write your reflection. Okay, you write your reflection and do not forget to click save. All right, so that is for step 7. And then you move on to step 8. Same goes. So by right, it would be yellow. By right, it would be green or no color because this one is all 0. So you do the same thing. You write your reflection for all the 4 columns before you click save. Okay, and then you move to step 9. So step 9 is the one that you have to save to be submitted to the coordinator, step 9, as well as step 10, the last step. So this is the CRR. Okay, what you do is, so you have to fill up here the compulsory parts, and only two, I guess, this column here, and then you fill up this survey here, okay, and then this part here, compulsory, the reflection, and then you click on save and generate report. And then once you have done that, then it will direct you to the CRR and you can print that out too. So altogether, you have to print out step 9 and step 10 once you have saved and generated report. All right. So I guess that's all for keying in marks on OBE. If you have any questions, you can ask me later.